All right, so the last two examples. So in this one, when you get rid of the parentheses again, so we're going to distribute. So we're going to go 4x plus 16x minus 20. And then I'm going to distribute this negative 5 into it as well. So I get negative 5 minus 25x. So then I'm going to see if I can combine any like terms over here. I have this x and this x, so I can put those two together. So that gives me 20x minus 20 is equal to negative 5 minus 25x. So I'm going to bring this x over to this side. So it's 45x minus 20 is equal to negative 5. And then we're going to add 20. So we get 45x is equal to 15. So then we're going to have 45x is equal to 15. Divide by 45, and x is equal to 1/4. So then what we're going to do is we're going to substitute, or excuse me, 1/3. We're going to take our original equation, and anywhere there is a x, we're going to put in the 1/3. Okay, so then what I do is I get my calculator, and I'm just going to work on this side of the equation. So I'm going to go 4 times 1/3 plus 4 parenthesis 4 times 1/3 minus 5. And I'm going to close that parenthesis. So I get negative 40/3. So I'm going to go negative 5 parenthesis 1 plus 5 times 1/3. Let's see if we get negative 40/3, which is what we needed this to work. Okay? All right, so last one. I don't need to distribute anything over on this side, so I'm just going to carry that down. Here, I'm going to distribute, so I get negative 36x plus 20. So I'm going to bring my 32 over to here. So that gives me negative 4x plus 20 is equal to negative 28. I subtract the 20, so I have negative 4x is equal to negative 48. Move this up here so we can see it. I divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. X is equal to positive 1, 2. So x is equal to positive 12. So then I'm going to go 4 times negative 9 times 12 plus 5 is equal to negative 32 times 12 minus 28. So again, I'm just going to work on this side right here. So I'm going to go 4, negative 9 times 12 plus 5 gives me negative 412. I'm going to have negative 32 times 12 minus 28 gives me negative 412. So remember to double check. Don't drop your negatives. Use your calculator to check your answers, and it's going to work out well.